Why did the early Islamic civilization end in Baghdad? Baghdad had been a prosperous city since the end of the 8th century. It was the cultural capital of the Islamic world for over 500 years, reaching its peak in about 900 AD. Not long after this, the city began its slow decline. In 945, Baghdad was captured by the Buyids, and again by the Seljuks in 1055. The Abbasid caliphs were forced to give up their political power, though they were allowed to keep their religious power. For a few decades, from 1180 to 1242, Baghdad experienced a revival under two of its caliphs, becoming a center of religious learning. In 1233, the Mustansriya Madrasa was opened. This was a university where students could learn many different subjects, but the main focus was on the study of Islamic law. Shortly after this, in 1258, the Mongols invaded Baghdad and took control. They had already seized power in other parts of the Islamic civilization, as well as in China and parts of Eastern and Northern Europe. During the siege of Baghdad, many residents of the city lost their lives, and the House of Wisdom was destroyed. The Abbasids fled to Egypt, ending their caliphate in Baghdad and marking the end of the Islamic Golden Age.